All right, guys, this is the test for big P, big B, and surface area of a cylinder. Okay, you do need your calculator. So I'm going to pull mine up, have it ready, and here we go. What is the total surface area of a cylinder to the nearest inch? Okay, so on this one, nearest inch means no decimals. No decimals. Okay, so here we go. First things first, remember the draw, label, formula, plugins, show your work. Draw's already in. Label, this is your radius, and that is your height. Your formula, total surface area, this is the long one. It's 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r to the second. Now we're ready to plug in 2 pi, and then I'm just going to use little dots here, times 9 times 14 plus 2 times pi times 9 to the second. There's no way to do that problem by hand. That would be crazy. The best thing to do is to use the calculator. So here we go. All right, so 2 and then second caret pi, 9 times 14, whoops, plus 2 pi times 9 to the second. Enter. So it's 1300, but let's see. So it's about 1300. Okay, good. The closest one is letter B. All right, let's go to number 2. On number 2, it says find the lateral. All right, formula 2 pi RH. Okay, so draw, label, formula, plug in, show your work. Drawing's already done. Label, there's your radius, and that's your height. I already wrote up my formula. I'm ready to plug in. 2 pi 5 times 10. All right, let's put that in your calculator. So it's going to be 2 second pi 5 times 10. Enter, and it's 314.1. 314 point, yeah, okay, so this one had two numbers. Okay, 0.16. All right, so that's number 2. All right, let's go on to number 3. It says, what is the radius blank of the diameter? Okay, remember, the radius is half. That's my radius. This is my diameter. Okay, so radius is half. All right, let's go on to number 4. Determine the radius of the penny. Okay, so this right here, since it's like the whole thing, that is actually your diameter. So here you got to go 19, divide that by 2. Definitely put that in your calculator. 19, divide that by 2, comes out to 9.5. Letter B. All right, let's go on to number 5. Find the total surface area of this one. Okay, so again, draw label, formula, plug in and solve. So here, draws done, label, that's your height. 4 is your radius. Okay, formula 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r to the second. Okay, plug in 2 pi. 4 times 15 plus 2 pi times 4 to the second. Let's put that in your calculator. 2 pi 4 times 15 plus 2 pi and then 4 to the second. Enter, and you get 477.52. Okay, so let's see what we got. Wow. Okay, so as you can see, these numbers are a little bit different. So I'm thinking they're doing something, they're using something else. But as you can see, the other numbers are way off. So don't let that throw you off. All right, let's go on to number 6. It's asking for the area of the big base. Okay, draw label, formula, plug in, solve. Okay, this is the radius. That's your 4 is your radius. That's your height. And big B, everyone, that means area of the base. All you're going to look for is this area of the base, pi r squared. So this one would be pi times 4 to the second. We didn't have to worry about 15. That's all we needed. All right, so second pi, and then 4 to the second. As you guys can see, I am not putting times. It still works. So this one is 50.27. So let's see what our answers look like here. Okay, the closest one is that one right there, 50.3. Yeah, because it's just one number after the decimal. All right, number 7, find the lateral. All right, so draw, label, formula, plug in, solve. Draw's done, label. Okay, that 8, since it's a cross right here, guys, that's a diameter. Always figure out the radius. It's a 4. Divide that by 2, comes out to 4. 10 is your height. Lateral, 2 pi RH. So 2 pi, 4 times 10. Put that in your calculator. 2 pi 4 times 10. Enter, and it's 251.33, something like that. All right, which is, there it is. Now we got an exact answer there. All right, let's move on to number 8. What is the perimeter of the base? Okay, big P. So first of all, since it's a rectangular, it is 4 sides. You're going to go side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. But right here, as you can see, we want to make sure that we're picking, I always like picking top and bottom. That 4, everybody, is not needed because this side is 7. Do you see how 2's right here? That's 2. That's 7. That's 2. You don't need that 4. Okay, so it's 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7, which gives you 18. And that's the answer for number 8. All right, let's go on to number 9. What is surface area? Inside the object? Okay, that's a maybe. Something Coach G made up? No. The sum of all the areas of the shapes that cover the surface area of the object? That sounds really good. Or is it the surface area in which you get when you boil unicorn ears? Okay, hopefully no one picked that one. All right, the best answer is letter B. And finally, number 10, what is the area of the base of the rectangle? Okay, so remember, we always go top and bottom. So that's what this is right here. So we got 10, 3, that's 10, and that's 3. We don't use this 4. So I should have done this. Draw, label, formula, plug in, solve. Draw's done. Label, I already did the labeling. Formula, side 1, side 2, side 3, plus side 4. So it's 3 plus 10. I'm ready to plug in. Plus 3 plus 10, which gives you 20. Let's see, 13 and 13, 26. Okay, this one does not have an answer. I think I had seen this one as being, oh, no, no, no. I did it all wrong. It's area. So it's not this. It's base times height. So it's supposed to be 10 times 3. Sorry. Which is 30. That's why it is 30. Okay, be careful. Don't do what I did. All right.